Today I have discussed about matter, the first chapter of physics in class 10. We know the first question it is that what is matter? The definition is the matter is something. What is matter? Is something which occupies space, has mass, can be perceived by our senses. Okay, example like air, water, iron, etc. Then what is matter composed of? The matter is composed of teeny particles called molecules. I have written such a note on the basics of the matter. You have studied on it and you have scored number of the marks in the examination. So prepared on the basics of my notes. Okay, and then the third question that states the three properties of molecule of matter. First properties is a molecules are very small in size. We know the molecules is so small, and a molecules is size nearly 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, and second is the molecules of matter have space between them. The space between these molecules we obviously know intermolecular space, and intermolecular space is different in the case of the solid, liquid and gases. In the cases of the solid, intermolecular space packed in full of the solid. We know that in molecules of solid, intermolecular space are together sit up, and then in the case of the liquid there are the less packed situation. In a condition of the gas, intermolecular space packed least than the solid and the liquid. And next, molecules are in constant motion. We all know. First, in solid cases, the molecules vibrate about their mean position. We underline the area they are about their main position. This is the main part of this chapter, about their main position. In the solid cases, the molecule vibrate, and obviously when you write it this answer, you must write this point about their mean position. Okay, and then without leaving their position. Okay, second point, in the liquid condition, okay, the molecules are free to move and within the boundary of the container. Third, in the cases of gas, the molecular can move in random manner everywhere in the space available to them. Fourth is the moleculars in the three property. Here the question is, and we have discussed about the fourth. You have written on any of three, written on the paper. Okay. Fourth point, the molecules of matter exert the force of attraction on each other. This force is called intermolecular force. In intermolecular force are different in the case of solid, liquid and gas. In the solid, the force of attraction is very strong. In liquid, the force of attraction is less strong, and in gases, the force of attraction is nil or negligible. Okay, and next I have discussed about the molecular model of solids, and here there are described that each solid is made up of very teeny particles that is called molecules. These molecules are very small in size and they can be assumed to be like teeny rigid balls. Second point, the separation between the two molecules in solid is very small. Third point, the molecules in a solid can only vibrate to and fro about their mean position. Underline this word, their mean position. That is a very important in the line. You have to write this a point. Molecular model of liquids. Each liquid is made up of very teeny particles called molecules. These molecules are very small in size and they are not in a rigid arrangement. The intermolecular space in liquid are more than that in solid. The liquid molecules can move about freely within the boundary of the vessel in which the liquid is kept. Okay, and then I have discussed the molecular model of gases. Fast point, like solids and liquid, gases are made up of very teeny particles called molecules. These molecules are very small in size, we know, and they can assume to be like rigid, homogeneous and perfectly elastic balls. The separation between the molecule is quite large as compared to that I am in liquids and solids. Third point, the molecules in a gas can move about freely in the space available to them. So we have discussed today about of the some points of the matter and molecules, and you have to prepare on the basics of the my notes, and you have to gain some of the profit from the notes. And this notes is made up from the different kind of book, and it's for all of you, the 8th batch student, ICSE board, CBSE board, and this may help you, all of you, and you have to study on the basics of it, and you have to gain many of the number in the examination. So first part in front of you, and the second part will come tomorrow or next day, and you have to wait for some day for the next part. So I have finished my work and my notes today, and you have to prepare on it, and so you can take screenshot the whole the page. Okay, so you have to study on it, so you can gain some of many of the number on this notes. Okay.